So here is your first look at a real and fake pair of the ADIDAS Predator Year of the Snake. Can you spot any differences? Hopefully this video helps you. Let's get straight into the comparison. Hello, today we're taking a look at a real and fake pair of the ADIDAS Predator Year of the Snake. This one here's the real one, this one here's the fake one. This is just to help you at home if you are trying to purchase a retail pair and what you should look out for. So I must emphasize, does not support the counterfeit industry in any way, just to help you at home purchase a retail pair because they're about £250 expensive. So let's get straight into the comparison. So the first thing to note, the retail one here comes in this unbelievable ADIDAS limited collection box, and you'll see it's very well built. So it has limited collection on either side, the ADIDAS logo here, and you can take a look at the label. This is size UK 10.5. Just pause the screen here so you can take a closer look at the label just to make sure it's the same as the one you've got at home. But to note, the retail one does come in this limited collection special box. Always try and make sure that they come in the box. It's a very special pair. You want to make sure you have everything that comes with it, and the box is a major part in this. Fake one, obviously it doesn't come in a box, so if you see people selling pairs that don't come in a box, just be a little bit careful. And then we'll open up the retail one, slide open the box. I would have liked them to have a little bit of detail here, it's a shame that they didn't. And then here is a look at the boot bag. You've got the Predator detailing and the snake skin on one side, and Predator detailing snake skin on the other side. Move that to the side, open these up, and here they are. Check them out. What a special pair. And then here is the fake one. Like I said, does not come with a box, just comes in this plastic bag, which is very strong smell of glue. Whoa, that's very strong. So they come not pre-laced, first difference, not to the top. The retail ones come laced all the way to the top. The fake ones did not, and also the tongue is folded down, so we'll fold that up and compare them side by side. So here is your first look at a real and fake pair of the ADIDAS Predator Year of the Snake. Can you spot any differences? Hopefully this video helps you. Let's get straight into the comparison. So the first thing to note is the actual upper itself. You'll see the retail one here has the snake skin on the front on the Hybrid Touch 2.0 upper, and you'll see it kind of looks like lava coming through the cracked rocks, and the red is incredibly bright. If I show you the fake one here, you can see that the colour is pretty different. If you show you from the side, you can see there's far more black parts on the fake one compared to the retail one, and also the red is much bolder on the retail one compared to the fake one. The fake one has a dull red, so when you look at it from the side, the colours just look a little bit off. On the updated Predator 25, you'll see the strike skin has changed to this kind of like linear pattern that goes up, curving around the front of the toe box. If we look at the fake one, they've tried to replicate this. One, they've got the colour wrong on the strike skin. Hopefully you can see that. It's a lighter colour on the retail one compared to the fake one. The fake one's a much darker colour. Also, positionally, it's very different. So the retail one here, look how low down the strike skin is on the toe box. So it goes all the way so you can get full grip in the front of the foot. The fake one, if I show you here, you can see the gap between the first strike skin and the toe box ending is very large. Then just in terms of the overall colour, this is the retail one here. Look at the red tongue here, and if I show you the fake one side by side, look quite similar in the camera, but I promise you this one here, the retail one, is much brighter red than the dull red on the fake one. Also the shape, if you look at the shape is actually quite different between the two. They updated the shape on the Predator tongue on the 25, but the fake one hasn't got it very accurate just yet. Looking at the 3 ADIDAS stripes on the outside of the retail one here, you'll see they are black 3 ADIDAS stripes with a gold outline, and you'll actually see the 3 ADIDAS stripes are pretty shiny. So if I move them with the light, you can see that they shine. If I show you the fake one, look at the outside here. So they've got the black 3 ADIDAS stripes with the gold outline. However, they're not shiny at all. It's like a matte black finish, which is not correct. And this actually also occurs on the inside. So if you look at the inside of the retail one here, here are the 3 ADIDAS black stripes, and just look at that shine when I move it in the light. If we look at the fake one, yeah, matte black once again, so it doesn't have that shine. The next difference to note is on the heel cup. So you'll see the snake skin print on the back of the heel cup here, and you can see it's actually got pretty symmetrical with the middle pattern here and an either side pattern. It just looks very even and well made. If we look at the fake one though, it's just very messy and untidy. There's bits which cut off each other. The pattern isn't very symmetrical. Yeah, it's all over the place, which is completely wrong. Because this is the year of the snake, you will see there are more snake details on the boot. So if we look at the back here on the heel, you'll see a gold snake on the retail one. This is actually very large compared to the fake one. The fake one has got this wrong and also has the actual gold color incorrect. Hopefully you can see that. This is more of like a fake yellow gold, which is actually flush with the back heel compared to the retail one where it's slightly raised. So if I rub my finger over it, I can actually feel that snake, whereas on the fake one I cannot. A very minor difference on the sole plate which I've noticed is if you look at the side of the studs here, you can see they are clear and they have nothing really in the middle, and that's the same on the back ones here. The tips are clear, as you can see there. If we look at the fake one however, so I'll just spin this round, hopefully you can see it. If I hold it up, they've got this kind of like pink section in the middle which is not meant to be there, and it also occurs on the back. Hopefully you can see that. If I spin it to this side, much easier, you can see right in the middle there a little pink section which is incorrect. Now let's take a look inside the boot. So we'll take out the paper shoe trees. So on the retail one you get a double paper shoe tree, if I can get it out because it's right at the toe box, and on the fake one we get a replica boot bag which is not real. So we'll take out the fake insole, and I'll also take out the retail insole here. So big difference, big difference. The color of the insoles. So firstly, the retail one here is like a black insole with a gold snake over the top, whereas the fake one is a green one with a gold snake over the top. However, if you compare the snakes, you should be able to see a clear difference in the color of the gold as well, and also the predator detail at the back. You can see it's positioned very differently, but the big difference is the actual color of the insole and the pattern on top. Looks much higher quality on the retail one here compared to that fake one here. Also, if you spin the insoles upside down, retail one is like a reddy pink, whereas the fake one, they've gone for white, which is incorrect. Taking a look inside the boot, hopefully you can see this. It might be quite difficult, but it's split into two sections, and that front section has these kind of like little pointy grippy bits on to stop the insole from moving around. The fake one, however, they've used two sections once again. The front section's grey, which is incorrect, and it's completely flush, so there's no grippy parts on it, which makes the insole just slide all over the place. Going back to the outer of the boot, you will see on the outer side of the retail one, it has these ridges in, which kind of creates this three-dimensional look to it. They're very indented on the outside and also on the inside, as you can see from the lighting there. If we look at the fake one, they've tried to replicate this, but they've not really done it. So you'll see they're there, but they're not indented as much as they are on the retail one. So it's kind of just pointless. It provides no extra grip on the ball. It's just trying to copy what the retail one's done, but with not really doing it properly. On the inside again, if we look at the 3 Adidas stripes, you will actually see on the fake one below, this one here, the 3 Adidas stripes are actually much shorter in length compared that to the retail one here. The retail one, they go much higher. Clear, easy difference. And the final difference I'm going to point out is the actual elastic. So this is the retail one here. Look how easy it is to slip it off and check out the tongue. However, the fake one, look how tight it is. It's really difficult to get it over these studs, and I'm not even joking here. Look how tight that is. That's me fully pulling it, and it's still getting caught on those top two studs, which is crazy. And then if we take a closer look at the two laces, you should hopefully be able to see the colour difference. It's the same as on the tongue as I started with on the boot. There's a clear difference between the two boots. Easy to see. There's no real point in me talking about the left boot because the same differences occur on the right as on the left, so there's no point in going over things all over again. So hopefully this video has helped you if you are trying to purchase a pair. It is a truly unbelievable pair. Look at all the amazing details on it. A really nice looking sole plate, really nice looking upper. I like what Adidas did with this, but let me know down below in the comments what you think of it. And yeah, hopefully this video has helped you. Please like, subscribe, helps me do more videos just like this to help you at home. And also follow my TikTok where I do shorter content. But thanks for watching. Hope you have an amazing day. This is the Adidas Predator Year of the Snake.